Hello, good morning. Good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my next series of class of a basic fire safety. You may be knowing that I was giving you some general safety awareness class for a 10 video. Most of the people might have attended that one. Now my second chapter is started. That is basic fire safety awareness. Fire safety awareness is a very important chapter because everywhere fire is there and everybody must know the basic knowledge of a fire safety because fire can come at any time, at anywhere, any place. So, in order to in order to save our life, property, we must have some basic fire safety knowledge. On that point of view only, I have just started these classes in a program way. Program way means what I mean is it is not in one video. There are several videos will be there. You will be getting subsequently when you are going to attend this class, you will be getting a good knowledge on basic fire safety. Okay, before going to the next video, what is fire and why it is so important for us, why this fire safety is so important for us, and what are the job opportunities for these classes also you must be knowing. This fire is a very everywhere fire is there. Fire incidents can be and or fire accidents can be seen many places. You must have seen in every day some of the fire incidents happened in some building or in some factory or in somewhere while in the road when the gas tank is leaking, like this type of thing. In your house also you must have seen that something like has happened, the gas leakage has happened, so many people lost their life. So these things are very common in our day-to-day life now. In order to avoid such type of accidents, what we must have, all of us basically we must have a basic fire safety knowledge. So once we have get some basic knowledge, at least some of this type of incidents we can avoid and we can have a better life in our better life. So on that point of view only I have just started these classes. Before just going to the details, let me my introduction. Already you may be knowing that I myself is Sadashiv. Basically, I am an electrical engineer, specialist in electrical safety and safety management, and also I got a lot of industrial experience, about 40 years of industrial experience, including some 20 years of teaching experience. I was a fire and safety trainer approved by the Dubai government in Dubai. I worked for 4 years there, and I was also an HSC consultant there. So on this, then afterwards I came here and I have started my institute, Akkat Fire Safety Institute. There, some of the people I have trained, and most of the people got a good job also. But due to some reasons, because of the corona, I am not able to continue my institute. So on the but whatever the knowledge I gain here, I just want to spread everybody so that that will be helpful to others. On that point of view only, I have started this type of a training program to general public. Okay, there are a lot of job opportunities for these fire safety classes. Gulf, particularly in the Gulf countries and other thing, that fire safety is an important criteria because there is fire chances are very common, because first of all the temperature is gone nearly 50 degrees centigrade. When the temperature is gone there more nearly 50 degrees, then fire chances are very high, and most of the products are related to petroleum products. So much of crude oil is extracting, processing, transporting, and also using. So there is a chance, still fire chances are there, and because of the limited space, again some problem is with the fire spread from buildings are building in such a way that a very small places where more small space is used, so fire spreading chances are also more there. On that, these are the points of that fire safety, very important, and nobody want to destroy their property and or destroy their life. within a very small incidence of a fire. So that's why fire safety is given more importance. Nowadays in India also we are giving so much of importance. Many places, even though we have not started any fire protection system in many places, but some of the big industries, and other big high-rise building, this fire safety instructions and fire safety rules has been come. come. So that's why this fire safety is very important. Now, before starting this course, why am I asking a simple question to all of you? What do you understand by a fire? What do you mean by a fire? So then somebody will say that, oh, fire, it is very dangerous thing. It will destroy within a short time everything, and we don't want to play with the fire. This is what somebody will say. The other people, somebody may say that fire, fire, it is very useful thing. Without fire, we cannot live. We have to make food. For that, fire is required. Some industry fire is required. Like this way, somebody will give an answer. But whatever may be the answer, that both are same. Fire is a very important thing for us, very useful for things. But as long as it is control with us, but it can destroy within a short time whatever the thing we have built, everything, including our life also. We can we can go there. That I can just give you some examples also, which has happened in my life. That experience I just want to share. I was working in Tata Steel. Tata Steel is a very big steel plant. There are more than 30,000 people are working there. Every year there is a Founders Day celebration is there. What is Founders Day celebration? Means every March there's a big gate is there. There's a statue of a founder, and this both the gate, there is a white roads are there. There we will provide some temporary type of shed there for Shashamani. I mean, we can say that. So the VIP for separately decorated, and the non-VIP is there, and all the float will be coming one by one, and then the garlanding the function, garlanding the statue, and then it will go like this way. The functions going on every year. I also used to go with my own departmental function. On 1989, I got more than 15 years of service, so I got an opportunity for seeing this function along with my family. So I was sitting with my family in the non-VIP shed, non-VIP, we can say that. So the first float came in front of the statue, it garlanded. Again, second one came. Like this way, 2, 3 came garlanded. The one particular float came during the garlanding function. Yeah, what they did means a small crackle got exploded. This small fire that has spread to the VIP spandal, VIP Ishamina. Then what happened means, and there it was fire, it has started. They are just announced. So we people in the non-VIP tent, we were just running away from there. Here what happened means some wind was also there. Because of that thing, the fire got spread like anything. And some of the VIP, they came out. Somebody again entered for to saving their others' life. So immediately the roof of the which was decorated by cloth and earth suddenly get collapsed, and so many people were trapped there. About nearly 60 people lost their life, not in one day, but within a few days, we can say that. This thing has happened there in March. Afterwards, company has stopped all these activities for several times. In Tata company, such a thing has happened. Really, it is very wonderful, because they are giving more importance to the safety. So we got a several separate training is there, and welfare activities also they are giving very important for giving a good hospitals, good canteen facility. Everything is there. Still, there is a small lapse in the safety. This thing has happened there, and loss of about nearly 60 people. Such a thing has happened. So that is what the fire. What I want to just tell, that fire can come at anywhere, at any time. Even though we have taken so much of safety precautions, such a thing was happened there. So like Tata's and other thing organization, which is a safety, they are in the first means they are giving all precautions in the safety. Still, such a thing has happened. So it is very important for us to know basic fire safety awareness. Then such type of incident. Somewhere you are in some incident, some in shopping mall, or in somewhere in the entertainment house, or any other, whether in cinema hall or any other thing. In any case, if fire incidents happen like this way, you must be able to save your life at least. If you can extinguish, then okay. That if that is not possible, at least saving your life is the most important thing. That's why this fire safety training is a very important for everybody. So fire is, we can say, fire is very useful as long as it is control with us. But if it is gone out of control, it can destroy everything within a short time. This is what I just want to tell you. So that's why fire safety is important. We will go in details on next classes one by one. Okay. So, oh, if you like this class, you share it and subscribe it, and we will see. We will come the next class with the continuation of this course. Thank you to everybody. All of wish you all a good day. Good day means happy, healthy, and safe day. Thank you to everybody.